Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to evaluate this integral, right? So for that I'm going to use this property, right? 0 to a fx dx, right? This equals to integral from 0 to a, this is integral, right? Integral from 0 to a f a minus x. So let's say this is I. So I can write I as 0 to 5 over 2 ln sine, this is x is replaced by 5 over 2 minus x dx, right? So we know that sine 90 minus x is equals to 0 to 5 over 2 ln, this is cos x, right? This is cos x dx I. So I have now two relationships, right? So this is first one, this is the second one. So I'm going to add them together. So 2y equals integral from 0 to 5 over 2. First one is ln sin x dx. Then I have 0 to 5 over 2 ln cos x dx, right? So I can take the integral out from here. So 0 to 5 over 2 ln sin x plus ln cos x dx, right? So addition of ln equals to multiplication, right? So ln 0 to, this is ln sin x cos x, right? I can write that. I know sin 2x equals sin 2 sin x cos x, right? So this is sin 2x over 2. So this is equals to 0 to 5 over 2 ln sin 2x, right, dx. Okay, so this is sin 2x over 2, right? So now I can write this as 0 to 5 over 2 ln 1 over 2 times sin 2x, right, dx. So otherwise I can write that as sin 2x divided by 2, right? So 0 to 5 over 2, this is ln sin 2x minus, this is dx, minus 0 to 5 over 2 ln 2 dx, right? ln 2 is a constant, I can take that out from the integral. So this is 1, right? 1 times dx is x, right? So I can write that 0 to 5 over 2 ln sin 2x dx minus ln 2 times x, right? So this is x, limits are from 0 to 5 over 2. So this is 5 over 2, right? So 0 to 5 over 2 ln sin 2x dx minus 5 over 2 ln 2, right? This is 2y. Here in the previous step we added them. So this is 2y equals this. So let's take this as I1, right? So I1 equals 0 to 5 over 2 ln sin 2x dx, right? Okay, now I'm going to take a substitution like 2x equals t, right? So when x equals to 0, t is going to also 0, right? So when x goes to 5 over 2, t goes to 5, right? So I can write I1 as 0 to 5 ln sin t, right? 2x is t. Here 2 dx equals dt, right? So dt over 2, right? Dx equals dt over 2. So 1 over 2 integral from 0 to 5 ln sin t dt, right? By the symmetry of the ln sin t, I can write 1 over 2 0 to 5 over 2 and 5 over 2 to 5. By looking at the graph, we can say this and this are equal, right? So I can write 2 times 0 to 5 over 2 ln sin t dt, right? Okay, so this equals to integral from 0 to 5 over 2 ln sin t dt. So here t is a dummy variable, right? So this is actually a number, right? This is a number. So here t is just a dummy variable. So I can change that to any variable, right? So I'm going to replace t by x, right? 0 to 5 over 2 ln sin x dx. So this is my I1, right? Which is equals to what? This is I also, right? Here we are evaluating I. It is 0 to 5 over 2 ln sin x. So I1 and I are equal. So from here, from this step, I can write 2y equals I, which is I1, plus, sorry, it is minus 5 over 2 ln 2. Okay, so I can write I can simplify this as I equals minus 5 over 2 ln 2. So integral from 0 to 5 over 2 ln sin x dx equals to minus 5 over 2 ln 2. So I hope you guys understood the way I solved, right? So if you guys have any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching.